All right, so today I have the reverse osmosis 7-stage water filtration from Vonwater, and this one's going to be your countertop version. So this is going to be perfect for those renters and for those that don't want to do any kind of plumbing. Now, when you first get it, just like any water filter, you want to flush it, and you need to do 3 flushes with that. I'll give you a live view of how fast it is filling up. It says it does a production rate of 8.8 fluid ounces per minute, 4.1 gallons per hour. And your daily production rate is 100 gallons per day. So what we want to do is we want to fill up 3 tanks and then dump it in the beginning. All right, so once we are full, this is going to tell us what our TDS is, which right now it's 9. It's how much crap is in the water. I'll show you the chart here. The lower the number, the better it is, of course. And usually I want to say I read that the average home is like 200 to 300. You know, of course, depending on where you are, that could be worse. I know my water here was like 230-ish with a couple different filters, it said. So what it's showing is that we do have a 9 for the water in here. Also, we do have different dispense modes. So we have 5 ounce, 10 ounce, 17 ounce, 25 ounce. And then the button here will be pretty much free flow. And that one is just going to flow until you stop it. All right, so we want to do a 10 ounce. So we'll go ahead and do a 10 ounce. It's also going to let you know how many ounces has been dispensed, which is kind of cool. And then once it hits the desired amount, it will shut off. And then it's automatically taking water out of the reservoir and filling this back up with fresh water. Now, every time you go to fill this, you're going to want to dump the whole thing because it's going to have that wastewater in here as well, or at least the water that it shoots back out that has more of the TDS, more of the particle stuff. Now, if you remove the little tray, it will accommodate somewhat larger cups. It might accommodate this if we don't have a lid on it. So like your Stanleys and your Circles, they will fit without the tray. It just is a tight fit. Also, this tray is magnetic, so it holds better. I like that. Also, this pitcher, you can remove it, and you can put this in the refrigerator, and then you got cold water in your refrigerator at all times. And then you can put it back in when you're ready to get it refilled. Now, as for the filter replacement, this filter is going to be good for up to about a year or 528 gallons, and then they recommend to put a brand new filter in at that time. And this one does use a single filter that you just pop right out. So this one is a 6-in-1 reverse osmosis filter. Well, there you go. That is going to be my quick demo for the Vonwater reverse osmosis system. It works pretty well. I do like that it also has a pretty large reservoir. This reservoir holds like 1.5 gallons in it. But if you are looking for a pretty good countertop reverse osmosis system, this one is from Vonwater. They do have another version if you want to shell out a little bit more, and that one provides hot water and stuff, which is pretty cool too. Anyway, this is my quick demo. Hopefully it gives you an idea of what to expect if this is something you'd like to put in your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.